Hi everyone, continue with the Module 3, Wireless and Mobile Networks. This is the first topic, wireless networks. And we have two videos, but this is the content over the videos. And the first is older wireless networks. I minimize this and continue. In addition to the GSM and 4G and 5G transmitters and receivers, smartphones make connection in a variety of ways. Click below to learn more about the different ways that the smartphones make connections. The first tab is GPS. Is Global Position System. The GPS uses satellites to transmit signals that cover the globe. The smartphones can receive these signals and cellular and calculate the phone's location to an accuracy of within 10 meters. The next step is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi transmitter and receiver locate within the smartphone enable the phone to connect the local networks and the internet. In order to receive and send data on a Wi-Fi network, the phone needs to be within the range of the signal from a wireless network access point. Wi-Fi networks are usually privately owned but often provide ways of public access hotspot. A hotspot is an area where Wi-Fi signals are available. Wi-Fi network connection on the phone are similar to the network connection on a laptop computer. The next step is Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a low-power, shorter-range wireless technology that is intended to replace wireless connectivity for accessories such as speakers, headphones, and microphones. Bluetooth can also be used to connect a smartwatch to a smartphone. Because Bluetooth technology can be used to transmit both data and voice, it can be used to create a small local network. Bluetooth is wireless technology that allows these devices to communicate over short distance. Multiple devices can be connected at the same time with Bluetooth. And the last stuff is NFC. Near Field Communication (NFC) is a wireless communication technology that enables data to be exchanged by devices that are in very close proximity to each other, usually less than a few centimeters. For example, NFC can be used to connect a smartphone and a payment system. NFC uses electromagnetic fields to transmit data. And check your understanding. And the first question is which of the following is a low power, short-range wireless technology that is instead replace wireless connectivity for accessories such as speaker or a mouse? This is Bluetooth. And that's right, Bluetooth is a low power, short range wireless technology that is instead to replace wireless connectivity for accessories such as speakers, headphones, and microphones. Bluetooth can also be used to connect a smartwatch to a smartphone. The next question is which of the following is a wireless communication technology that enables a smartphone to communicate with a payment system within a few centimeters away? This is NFC. Submit. That's right. Near Field Communication (NFC) is a wireless communication technology that enables data to be exchanged by devices that are in a very close proximity to each other, usually less than a few centimeters. And the next topic is mobile device connectivity. And the first point is mobile device and Wi-Fi. Mobile device give us the freedom to work, learn, play, and communicate wherever we want. People using mobile devices do not need to be tied to a physical location to send and receive voice, video, and data communication. In addition, wireless facilities such as internet cafes are available in many countries. College campuses use wireless networks to allow students to sign up for classes, watch lectures, and submit assignments in areas where physical connection to the network are unavailable. With mobile devices becoming more powerful, many tasks that need to be performed on large computer connect to physical networks can now be complete using mobile devices or wireless network. Almost all mobile devices are capable of connection to Wi-Fi network. It is advisable to connect to Wi-Fi networks when possible because data use over Wi-Fi does not count against the cellular data plan. Also because Wi-Fi radios use less power than cellular radios, and connection to Wi-Fi networks conserves battery power, like other Wi-Fi enabled devices. It is important to use security when connecting to Wi-Fi network. These precautions should be taken to protect Wi-Fi communication to mobile devices. This is important. Never send login or password information using unencrypted text, plain text. Use a VPN connection when possible if you are sending massive data. Enable security on home networks and use WPA2 or higher encrypted for security. The next point is Wi-Fi settings. Two of the most popular operating systems for mobile devices are Android and Apple iOS. Each operating system has settings that enable you to configure your device to connect your wireless network. Click below for an example of how to turn Wi-Fi on and off on Android and iOS device. The first tab is Android and Wi-Fi switch. Only show the image, Wi-Fi on and off, and Wi-Fi networks connected, secured, and net in range. The next is iOS Wi-Fi switch is the same, only turn in off or turn in on. And to connect an Android or iOS device when it is within the coverage range of a Wi-Fi network, turning on Wi-Fi on the device, then search for available Wi-Fi networks and display them in a list. Touch a Wi-Fi network in the list to connect. Enter a password if needed. When a mobile device is out of the range of the Wi-Fi network, it attempts to connect to another Wi-Fi network in range. If no Wi-Fi network are in range, the mobile device connects to the cellular data network. And when Wi-Fi is on, it will automatically connect to any Wi-Fi network that is unconnected to previously. If the network is new, the mobile device either display a list of available networks that can be used or ask if you should connect to it. Okay, the next point is configure mobile Wi-Fi connectivity. If your mobile device does not prompt to connect to a Wi-Fi network, the network SSID broadcast might be turning off, or the device might not be set to connect automatically. Manually configure the Wi-Fi settings on the mobile device. Remember that SSIDs and phrases must be typed exactly as entered on the wireless router setup, or the device will not connect properly. As shown in the figure, SSID is the name assigned to the wireless network. Phrases is what we normally use the wireless password. Okay, showing the in the image, sorry, what is not the correct key, so I'm not going to allow you to connect. I send you key, why can I not connect? Okay, to connect to a Wi-Fi network manually on an Android device, follow the steps. Settings at networks, enter the network SSID, touch security and select a security type, touch password and enter the password, touch save. Operating systems for mobile devices are updated frequently and may be customizable by the device manufacturer. The commands listed above might not be exactly the same on your device. There are online manuals for every type of device which are usually accessible from the website of the manufacturer. To connect to the Wi-Fi network manually on an iOS device, follow these steps. Select Settings, Wi-Fi, Other, enter the network SSID or key, touch security and select and security type, touch Other network, touch password and enter the password, touch join. And the next topic or point is configure cellular data settings. Cellular data plans are offered by most cell phone carriers, but the bandwidth limitation and shares for users for use vary wide by carrier. And biplane within carriers as a result many mobile devices users only use their cellular data plans when Wi-Fi service is not available. And click below for an example of how to turn cellular data on and off an Android and iOS device. The first tab is Android cellular data. Turning off or off cellular data on an Android device as shown in the figure, use the following path. Settings, touch more under wireless and network, touch mobile network, and touch data enable. In iOS is the same, touch iOS cellular data to turn on and off cellular data on an iOS device. As shown in the figure, use the following path. Settings, cellular data, turn cellular data on or off. Okay. Mobile devices are pre-programmed to use a Wi-Fi network for internet if one is available and the device can connect to the access point and receive an IP address. If no Wi-Fi network is available, the device uses the cellular data capability if it is configured. Most of the time, transitions from the network to another are not obvious to the user. For example, as a mobile device moves from area 4G coverage to 3G coverage, the 4G radio shut off and turn on the 3G radios. Connections are not lost during the transition. And the next is a video of Bluetooth configuration on a Linux laptop and simple connectivity with Bluetooth. Mobile device connect using many different methods. Using a Wi-Fi can be difficult to configure and require extra equipment such as towers and access points. Cable connections are not always practical when connecting headsets or speakers. Bluetooth technology provides a simple way for mobile devices to connect to each other and to wireless accessories. Bluetooth is wireless automatically and uses very little power, which helps conserve battery life. Up to 8 Bluetooth devices can be connected together at any one time. There are some examples of how devices use Bluetooth. The first is hands-free headset, keyboard or mouse, stereo control, car speakerphone, Theremin, and mobile speakers. And the next point is Bluetooth pairing. Bluetooth pairing occurs when two Bluetooth devices establish a connection to share resource. In order for the device to pair, the Bluetooth radios are turning on one device being sharing for other device. Other device must be set to discovery mode, also called visible, so that they can be detected when a Bluetooth device is in discovery mode. It transmits the following information when another Bluetooth device requires its name, Bluetooth, class, service, what the device can use, technical information, touch the future, and Bluetooth specification ID support. During the pairing process, a personal identification number PIN may be required. The authentication pairing process. The PIN is often a number but can also be numeric code, a passkey. The PIN is stored using pairing service, so it does not have to be entered the next time the device tries to connect. This is convenient when using a headset with a smartphone because they are pairing automatically when the headset is turning on within range. To pair a Bluetooth device with an Android device, follow the steps. Follow the instructions for the device to place in Discovery Mobile. Explore your network settings on your mobile device. Note that you have your stuff to configure, verify your Wi-Fi cellular. Explore the settings on your own phone if you have access to a Bluetooth device, like headphones on speakers. Connected it to your phone, notice that you can be using the trio. This wireless service simultaneously, each serving a different role. You could be listening to music